In this video, we're going to be plotting linear graphs. And the linear graph we're going to be plotting has the equation y equals 2x plus 1. And we're going to plot this for x being between -2 and 2. So if you see something written like this, it means your x values go between -2 and +2. Now the way I like to do this is by doing it in a table. So we are going to split up our x and our y's. So our x is going to go on top and our y is below. And our x values that we want to plot are going to be listed at the top. So what you need to do now to work out each one of these is to put in the corresponding x value into our equation above. So when x equals -2, our y value is going to be 2 lots of -2 plus 1. It's going to be -3. We'll do another. X equals -1. Y equals 2 lots of -1 plus 1. It's going to be -1. X equals 0. Y equals 2 lots of 0 plus 1, which is +1. So we are just inputting our x values in place of x and working it out. We are substituting. Now, you can keep doing this, and in the remaining boxes you'll get 3 and 5. Now, there is certain ways we can check if we've got it right. Move these for the minute. Now, when x is 0, that's when it's going to be crossing the y-axis. So this number here is going to be our y-intercept. Now, does that agree with our equation above? Well, yes, it does, because our y-intercept in our equation above is +1. What you also can note is every time we take a step to the right, we are adding 2. And that's to do with 2 being our gradient. So now we've checked it's right, we can plot. So let's take our first pair of coordinates. This set here. What it's saying is our first coordinate is -2, -3. So we go along to -2 on the x-axis and down to -3 on the y-axis. Our second coordinate is going to be -1, -1, -1, -1. Our third coordinate is 0, +1, 1, +3, and 2, +5. And now we need to draw our straight line through these points. Now, if the line is not straight or one of the coordinates doesn't fit on the line, you know you've made a mistake. Now, if we were given an equation like 3x plus 2y equals 8, and we are told to plot it, we would then need to rearrange this to get it in the form of y equals mx plus c, so we can do our method we did above. So that is just an interesting thing to note as we finish.